Hi, I'm Clark Wilson. I'm a registered investment advisor here in the state of California. And in this video, we're going to focus on 401k plans and the mutual funds that reside within them. And we'll show you how 401k Science handles that. We're going to show you our model portfolio, and we're also going to show you that having a set number of mutual funds available for a lengthy period of time may not always work. After that, we're going to show you something about strategies, but right now, take a look at our model portfolio. Okay, let's find out if we can have the same mutual funds today that we had 6 months ago. So what I did back in February, you can see here February 16th of 2011, I went to ClearStation. This is a really good website for tracking your positions on things. I went to ClearStation and I put together a fictitious $100,000 account portfolio using the top 25 funds at the time that 401k Science allocated to. Now, as we scroll down here, you will notice over on the right-hand side where it says percent change, you'll notice the first one is minus 15.25%, minus 14.91%, and on down. You will notice that these are all big-time losers, and yet they were the best ones on the 16th of February in the year 2011. These were the best ones. If we would have kept all of them from then to now, we would be down 17.85%. So what I've done is I've taken all of these from ClearStation here, and I've brought them over into a spreadsheet to show you the difference between today and 6 months ago. Here in alphabetical order are the ones on the left-hand side. Here's name, year-to-date return, and symbol. These are the ones that 401k Science is in today. You'll notice that the ones on the left-hand side in the black print are 14.9% up year-to-date, 15% year-to-date, 18.10 year-to-date, etc., etc., on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side is the list that I brought in from ClearStation. So I have these in alphabetical order, and if you look at the symbol on the left that is in black type and the symbol on the right that is in blue type, you will notice that none of the ones here on the left are on the right, which means that none of these that we had 6 months ago on 2016 of 2011 is currently in our portfolio. And in fact, the best ones from 2/16 of 2011 are no longer, none of them are the best ones today. So, do mutual funds last? Do they stand the test of time? The answer is no, and that is why 401k Science must allocate to new mutual funds that we have not allocated to before previously. So, this shows you side by side that mutual funds do not last. They do not stand the test of time. You must get new ones that you haven't gotten before. And so let's take a look at our 401k Science model portfolio here. You will notice in our model portfolio that starts here on 1/7 of 2011, you'll notice that our model portfolio goes forward in time. It's a little bit better than the S&P 500, and then it's the same as the S&P 500 and travels along with the S&P 500 for a while, and then it goes up again and then back to market performance. And now on August the 28th, 2011, on a Sunday when I'm making this video, you'll notice that the model portfolio here is up 21% year to date, and the S&P 500 is off 8%. So each one of these little blue squares here is a reallocation of mutual funds in the 401k Science model portfolio. The 401k Science model portfolio uses both long funds and short funds, or inverse funds, or bear market funds. That pretty much explains the difference between the market performance of minus 8% and the 21% performance of our model portfolio, which is a 29% difference. Now, how much of the total difference that we could have had did we get? Well, let's go back to our spreadsheet here, and we'll go down to the bottom, and we'll see that over here on the left, our average was 16.488%. Let me click on that and change its look here. There we go. Okay, so 16.49% versus minus 17.85% over on the right in the red, meaning the spread here that we could have had was 34.34%. So we could have had 34.34%. How much did we snag? Well, we snagged 29% of it. So, not too awful bad. We snagged most of the spread difference that we could have had. And that is the value of 401k science. So, I hope you understand that the way 401k plans are practiced today by all the big guys and the little guys and the boutique firms and everybody else just does not work to your advantage for maximum performance. And that's why I invented 401k science, and that's why we do things differently in 401k science, because I want performance. I want performance. This is a tax-deferred thing. A 401k plan doesn't have any tax attached to the gains. And so if you are going to make money there, why not make some money there? A lot of these plans that are set up with just a set bunch of mutual funds, which really can't make you a heck of a lot of money no matter how you allocate it, even though as a self-directed person you go, I'm going to try some of this and some of that, some of this and some of that. But you know, 84% of the people who put money into a 401k plan choose a diversified portfolio at the beginning and then forget all about it. And that's how they lose 40% twice in the last 10 years, and we're about ready to do so again. So I certainly hope that I can get 401k science into the marketplace to prevent huge, horrible, awful losses, number one, and generate maximum performance, number two. My name's Clark Wilson. I'm a registered investment advisor here in the state of California. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video.